All right, calculus. Welcome to a chapter 2 homework set number 4 help video. On the first page of your homework set there, you'll notice a one that looks very similar to this. F of x is equal to 5x minus roots 3x. What's the derivative? F prime of x. Using the limit definition. I thought we did one sort of like this in class, but the answer seems to be way too easy in comparison what this one will take. So I don't know if I'm gonna boo-boo on that one, but you need to get this one down. So f of x is equal to 5 minus the square root of 3x. And what is f prime of x? First off, that is the limit definition of a derivative, f prime of x. You need to have that down for your exam Monday and Tuesday. So f prime of x is that. So first off, here is f of x plus h. I'm plugging x plus h in for x there and there, minus f of x. All right, again, this is f of x plus h. This is f of x, and that's obviously h. You can do a little distribution here. All right. So f prime of x is the limit as x approaches h of 5x plus 5h minus this root minus 5x plus root 3x. That cancels, leaving me with, okay, this. The limits as h goes to 0. Now, yeah, I'm interested in what we did. Here's one way. You know, you might see this more in a book. Maybe here we talked about the root parts, the roots by themselves, and then multiplied. I'm interested, we get a 3x minus 3x minus 3h, which is involved. We might have done that. Here's another way to do this question. What I have done, actually written down in my answers on how to do this in the homework. So what we can do is we can get that h part out by itself. I'm just breaking this up as one fraction into two different ones. So the limit as h goes to 0 of 5h over h plus the limit as h goes to 0 of this minus this over h. Okay, we know from algebra 2 that that is very legal. Okay, so we're going to work with this by itself here. In fact, how we're going to handle that is we're going to multiply. Well, let's go to this next line. So the limit as h goes to 0, 5h over h, the h's would cancel. I would now have the limit as h goes to 0 of 5 plus the limit as h goes to 0 of this times its conjugate, which is root 3x plus root 3x plus 3h, top and bottom. All right. And then when I do that, first and the last part of FOIL. So the limit as h goes to 0, of 5 is just 5, plus root 3x times root 3x is 3x minus root 3x plus 3h times root 3x plus 3h is 3x plus 3h. You're going to subtract through. These will cancel, leaving you with a negative 3h over this product h times this plus this. As we know from before, the h's will cancel, leaving you with 5 plus the limit as h goes to 0 of negative 3 over root 3x plus root 3x plus 3h. Let h be 0. Root 3x plus root 3x, you got 2 of the root 3x's. So I was just wondering how we handled, if we handled one like those in class and how we did it. Anyway, that is another way to do this question. This is Yak Math Videos signing out.